Hi everybody, happy Monday. It is the weekly for April 27th, and this is the simplified version. Irwin family helps animals. A famous family helps many wild animals. This family is the Irwin family. The Irwin family is from Australia. The Irwin family owns the Australian Zoo. Australia had wildfires in 2019 and in 2020. Now, we learned about these wildfires on CNN 10. There were several episodes. Then I do believe we also had a weekly that talked about them. The wildfires were very big and very dangerous.
The wildfires hurt many animals. The animals included koalas, bilbies, kangaroos, and platypuses.
So these wildfires affected all sorts of animals in Australia. The Irwin family wanted to help the animals. The Irwin family brought the animals to the Australia Zoo. The Irwin family helped many animals feel better. They helped over 90,000 animals so far. If you want to make this snack mix, these are the ingredients. As always, send us a picture and let us know. But the Irwin family, Steve Irwin was a major part of that. He died in 2006. He was on Crocodile Hunters. That was his show. And then they eventually had another show about all four of the family members saving wildlife and helping animals all over the world. Make sure you log into Canvas and do your work for the day. Have a wonderful day and a week, and I will see you later.